We are going to display the account type of a user. And this is where we left in the previous video by implementing the logic. So let's continue. Over here, I'm going to display the account type in front of the username, or even below it. You can place it whatever you want depending on your application need. So let's locate the component user and account summary, which is this, and let's locate where we have the username, which is this one, and that is welcome back. And I'm gonna place it here, or even add dash and use data dot user dot account type. And let's see, and we have it as standard. Let me place it inside span as that, and let me add some classes as text dash gray, and let me use 400 opacity, and we have it as standard.